I've never made homemade sweets like this before, healthy and delicious. We will start by putting 7 ounces of oat flour in a mold. Add 2 tablespoons of walnut pulp to the flour. If you don't like nuts, you can add peanuts or chestnuts without any problem. Spread a little and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes only. After the 10 minutes, put everything in a container and set aside while we make the syrup. For the syrup we will need 3 knobs of butter syrup, 1 teaspoonful of sugar, 4 tablespoons of honey syrup, mix well over low heat until the butter melts and becomes a homogeneous mixture. Now pour all the syrup into a bowl. Mix very well so that all the syrup is added to the oats and nuts. After mixing, add dried fruit. Here I am adding a spoonful of apricot pulp and also 2 teaspoons of raisins and prunes. In this part you can add the dried fruits of your preference. Add also 2 tablespoons of grated coconut pulp. Mix these ingredients until they become a homogeneous mixture. Let me know in the comments from which city you are watching us from, so I can send you a big hug. Put everything in a container lined with baking paper or plastic wrap. My container is 15 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Take our recipe to the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now all you have to do is unmold it. Cut it into small pieces this way. This recipe is very simple to prepare and is delicious. I'm sure that if you make it at home you won't regret it. Look how our recipe turned out, it's delicious. Write in the comments what grade you give for this recipe from 0 to 10. I'm going to the comments to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Until the next recipe.